Hi guys, after making this video about this fix grub, and which I've made already a little bit better, just a few lines of text, make sure you install the ArcoLinux grub theme Vimix, right? If you want to see the default theme again. So if you start playing around with themes, and we will continue playing around with themes right now, then if you want to go back to the default, you need to remember to install the default. Obviously, there are so many things that are not default. -S grub. Take a look. They have been on there like ages, right? They have been on there like forever. And they're all the themes from Vince, I call him, right? From the developer of our theme. But there's so many variations of that theme. So that's called something called stylish. Let's have a look at color. Mine is 1080 here. P git, and the other is 2K, 4K, ultra wide, and so on. Choices, 4 resolutions, and you can install this. Now this is not from us, right? This is third party, meaning we have no control over what he does to the system. So we better analyze. We better have a look. So we go for PAMAC. Grub. We've got this one installed. Click Files. He's going to put them in user share grub themes. That's important bit. This is a URL that's important for us. Control C. Let's see if we can copy paste it. And that's where the stylish color theme is. It's not boot. Did anything change to the grub? No, this package did not change anything, and we're still on Vimix. So this needs to be changed. Now, typing this can be tedious, so I'll not do it in ngrub, but I'll go to File System, etc, default grub, and keep that open. So, don't get rid of things, just put a hashtag in front of it, and then you say Control V. So that's the URL, that's the path where it all is, but there are things, of course, we need to keep, like we need to tell this is about the grub theme. Control C, this is the grub theme, equals user share group theme, all good, that's the folder, and then theme.txt stop. That's it. So that's manual job, that's your job, because it's coming from the AUR. You have to think about that. Now, this is a file, but the machine doesn't know that you changed something. So you tell the machine, hey, update my grub, because I've just changed something. And now there's a new line, stylish color theme text in user share grub themes. And if that is really existing, it will look like this. And you stop when you think, okay, this looks nice, right? That's when you stop. So this is the theme coming from, also from Vince, right? Like ours is coming from Vince, but it has these buttons. I don't like these buttons. And these colors, beautiful colors, no problem with it, right? So it's always about choices, changing little things. So, I want to go for the 100%. Of course, that's very, very, very personal. How do the other things look? Let's see. Sudo pacman -s. Has been a while since I've looked at it. So theme teller is another one. Okay, theme teller is another one. There we have also all kinds of variations. Let's go to the white this time. We've seen the color. There will be exactly the same icons there in other themes. But this guy, right? Then we install it. Obviously, we're gonna get something in our user share grub themes. So this is less stuff to change, meaning we have to tell them what name it is. Let's go there. User share grub themes. And if you really don't want to make any typos, you do F2, Control C, Escape, and let's see if I can copy paste it in. So instead of this, the folder is now Control Shift V. Yes, we can copy paste. And that looks like correct. Control X, yes, enter, update grub, tell them there is something new there. Oh, whoa, whoa. No, update grub. And we see tell a white in there. Let's see how that looks. I believe there's one more. All right. Next one. Wait for it. Control T. Sudo pacman -s grub theme something. Tell how we've done. There is Vimix that we know. White Sur is another one. White Sur, and then I'll also take the white, and then 1080, this guy. So if we keep this over here and we do ungrub, we quickly edit this file. Instead of folder tell white, it's gonna be, we better be sure, right? We better be sure. So user share grub themes, this guy. F2, Control C, escape, grub, and Control Shift V. Super. Control X, yes, enter, update grub. Once you get to the workflow in your fingers, then you say, oh, is it just that? It's that, nothing more, right? If you like this one, you keep this one. No, the thing is always with the fix grub, right? If you mess things up and say, oh my God, what did I do wrong? Then there is this thing that's called fix grub. There's either that, or you just install it again. So sudo pacman -s, the ArcoLinux grub theme vimix git. If you install that one, right, and then it will change the theme. But of course, if grub is there, if the file is not there, it's gonna be difficult. So here you see we have two things now, which is no issue, but it's interesting to see, right? So update grub. Let's see if it is a problem that it's twice or 3 times or 50 times there. As long as it works, it's fine. Best is of course 1. I'm already thinking about the script. Why did that? He shouldn't. So ngrub. So if you do fix grub, that's maybe also interesting. So fix grub, let's see if we can type it like this. Command not found, right? Fix grub is like this. How do you know? Because when you type tab, we get all the fix stuff, and fix grub is like that. Well, actually I can make a fix grub without a hyphen, and then it's no problem. So now the default grub is back, meaning there's just one line in there, and it's pointing to Vimix, and we tell you, hey, if you want to have the default of ArcoLinux back, you need to install the ArcoLinux grub theme Vimix, right? If it's not installed, you can't have Vimix, of course. So if you can remove the grub Vimix, then you know that it's installed. So yeah, it's installed. If you want to see if it's installed, you can do that as well. Boot, grub, themes, Vimix with the big V. Yeah, that's ours. With all the wallpapers, maybe that will make it clear that it's just one wallpaper. And here we have ArcoLinux variety of wallpapers. All right, so that's everything is back as it was, and we can sudo reboot and everything looks fine. Playing around with grub. If you do it the right way, right? If you know what you're doing, it's always the same thing, knowledge, then you can have fun with it and change it and keep it if you like it. And even if you want to go further, more in detail, do this, change that, have a look at the latest tutorials that I've made about radar, and then you can create your own package, your own repo, your own sudo pacman -s, your stuff, and then be in control, because that's the end where we want to get at after years on ArcoLinux, that you are more and more in control of your operating system. All right, cheers.